Okay, what if an AI could work on a single creative project longer and harder than pretty much any human could? Well, today we're diving to a pretty mind-blowing breakthrough from Anthropic that might just make that a reality. And it really all comes down to one simple but incredibly powerful number. 30. That's it, just 30. Seems simple, right? But this number represents a massive, and I mean massive, shift in what artificial intelligence can do. So what's so special about the number 30?
Well, that is the number of hours Anthropic's brand new AI can work all by itself, completely autonomously, to build a working application from the ground up. We're talking 30 straight hours of coding, debugging, and building with absolutely zero human help along the way. Yeah, this 30-hour coding marathon, it's a huge leap forward in AI autonomy. This isn't just a little upgrade, a few percentage points better. No, this is a whole new level of what these systems are capable of. Just to put this into perspective for you, their last big model, Opus 4.1, it topped out at around 7 hours of working by itself. This new one, Sonnet 4.5, just completely blows past that, hitting a full 30 hours. That is more than a 4 times increase in sustained independent focus.
And look, this isn't just some theoretical number. Anthropic actually put this thing to the test. They gave Sonnet 4.5 a big project, build a complex chat app, something like Slack or Microsoft Teams. And the result? It wrote over 11,000 lines of code, on its own, from start to finish. So you have to be wondering, how is this even possible? Well, the real breakthrough here isn't just that it's better at writing code. It's that they've taught the AI how to use a computer, well, kind of like a human does. Anthropic has this new functionality they call computer use, and the best way to think about it is that they've basically given the AI eyes and hands. It can literally look at a screen, understand what's there, know what the goal is, and then navigate the interface, clicking, scrolling, typing, to get the job done. This is way beyond just responding to text prompts in a chat box.
But hey, this 30-hour coder thing is really just the headline. This new model is also packed with a bunch of new tools that are designed to make life way easier for developers and other creative pros.
A really great example is this new feature they're calling Checkpoint. It's built right into their coding tool. And it's basically a time machine for your code. So if you go down the wrong path or make a mistake, you can just instantly jump back to an earlier, working version. It's this incredible safety net that lets you experiment without fear. And the cool stuff goes way beyond just coding. The API is getting a big upgrade, so now you can generate documents, presentation slides, even spreadsheets, all just by having a conversation. Think about it. You could draft a report, create the slides to present it, and build a spreadsheet with all the data all inside one chat. Claude is turning into this all-in-one productivity partner for almost any job. Okay, but this next feature, this is where things start to feel like they're straight out of science fiction. Anthropic is rolling out a new tool called Imagine with Claude, and trust me, it absolutely lives up to the name. So let me just ask you this. What if you could take an idea that's just in your head and turn it into a real working application, just by describing it? No complicated commands, no writing code, just you explaining your vision in plain English. And that's exactly what this does. To use Anthropic's own words, it allows users to create software purely based on their prompts. This just completely shatters the barrier between having a great idea and actually having a functional app. You just describe what you want, and the AI starts building it for you. All right, so after hearing all of that, I know the next question is probably, okay, that's amazing, how do I get my hands on it? So, let's quickly go over the rollout plan. And the good news is, they're making this available to pretty much everyone. If you're a free user, you can now access the new Sonnet 4.5 model, although there will be a daily usage limit. And for anyone who's already a premium member, it gets even better. You get full unlimited access with no price increase at all. So let's just end on this one thought. When an AI can focus on a really complex, creative task like building a brand new piece of software for 30 hours straight, which is longer than most humans can effectively concentrate, what does that really mean for the future of how we build things, for creativity, for our jobs, and for the very nature of work itself? That's the huge question a breakthrough like this forces us all to think about.